Hello guys, let's see how to install Visual Studio Code and Python in your Windows 10. First of all, we have to search VS Code in Firefox or Google Chrome. Visual Studio Code, code editing and reference. Here is the download option. Click on the user installer. I have already downloaded. Then how to install Python? How to download Python? Python.org. Here is see Python 3. Downloads Python 3.11.4. Click on that. You can see download button. I have already downloaded in my system. This is the older version, but it will work. Double click on Visual Studio Code user setup. I accept. See, I accept the agreement. Next, next, next. Create a desktop icon. Next, install. It takes some times. Okay, okay, finish. Next, how to install Python. Double click on what you have downloaded. Add Python 3.10 to path. Customize installation. You have to select all these checkbox. If you have to install additional packages, documentation, everything. Next, compiler and standard library. Just install it. Yes. See here. This is the Visual Studio Code, right? Uh, let's see how to execute Python program in it. Let this complete fast. It will install standard libraries like inbuilt functions. It takes some time to download all the standard libraries. test suite, packages, everything. So it takes some time. Let's create a new folder in it after till now installing Python. Create Python core and simply open this folder and simply type cmd here. You can see the path of the folder where we have opened. Close this Visual Studio Code. Let's install it first. Code space dot, enter. It will open Visual Code in the given path. VS Code in the given path. See, here is the path. Let's install it first. Close. Setup was successful. Then close this. Create new file. Hello. I trust authors. Close this. Create new file. Hello. Not py. Py is the extension of Python. Just click it. Close. Everything close. Print. Hello world. Right. Save it. File. Save. Till now this dot mark is removed. It saves. Execute. Run Python file. Terminal. Okay, open terminal here. Okay, it came here. Sorry. Terminal. New terminal. Just simply types ey hello dot py. Just hit enter. See, here is the output. Hello world. Thank you.